In this section we're going to see how to merge slides from one presentation into a second presentation. I've got a short presentation here, it's cats, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different slides. So these 4 slides are obviously about cats. Now if I just click at the end of the presentation here and I get this little horizontal red line, what I can do is now insert some slides from a totally separate presentation called dogs. And the way I do this is I click on the down arrow under where it says new slide, and I click on this option that says reuse slides. Over here you've got the reuse slides dialog, and I click on browse and I navigate to the folder or subdirectory containing the other presentation. So I'm looking for a file called presentation dogs, which is here. So I select that, click on open, and these are the slides. Now at the moment I've just got the 4 slides here, and I've clicked under the last one. If I click here on the first slide here, there you are, it appears here. And if I click on the next one, then the next one, then the next one, as you can see I've now got a presentation with cats there and dogs there. So what I can now do is say, let's save this as a new file name, and I'll call it presentation cats and dogs. Whoops. And I'll save that. So my 2 original presentations are intact, and I've effectively created the 3rd presentation where the first couple of slides are about cats and then the last slides are about dogs, like so.